Replit is changing the way people build software, and it's one of the fastest growing platforms in the United States right now. Whether you're a student, a startup founder, or even just curious about coding, Replit makes it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. So what exactly is Replit? It's an online coding platform that runs completely in your browser. No complicated installations, no heavy setup. You can start coding instantly from any device, even a school Chromebook. Replit supports over 50 programming languages, from Python to JavaScript, making it incredibly flexible for all kinds of projects. But what makes Replit truly exciting is its use of artificial intelligence. Their built-in AI assistant, called Ghostwriter, helps you code in a brand new way. Instead of typing every single line yourself, you can describe what you want in plain English, and Ghostwriter generates the code for you. This new style of development, often called vibe coding, lets you focus on your ideas and creativity, while the AI takes care of the heavy lifting. Imagine being able to say, "Build me a simple to-do app," and within seconds, you've got a working version to test and improve. That's the power of Replit. It saves time, it removes barriers, and it empowers people who never thought they could code. There are a lot of benefits to using Replit. For beginners, it's an amazing way to learn programming without getting stuck on technical roadblocks. For developers, it speeds up prototyping and makes collaboration simple, with real-time editing similar to Google Docs. And for entrepreneurs, it means building and deploying a minimum viable product faster and cheaper than ever before. Of course, no tool is perfect. AI-generated code still requires human oversight, and large enterprise-level applications may need more advanced infrastructure. But for learning, experimenting, and rapid development, Replit is one of the best platforms available today.